Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I have my boyfriend Simba here with me, and we are about to do some 2-strand twists in his hair. Now this style is really easy, it's really simple. It's a style that you can do on your own hair, on your boyfriend's hair, on your daughter's hair, your grandmama's hair, your cousin's hair. It can be done on anybody's hair. It's gonna be real easy and simple that anybody can do it. Now for this style, I want you to do it on stretch hair, and to stretch the hair I am going to blow dry his hair. So first things first, I need to do sections and then do subsections to detangle his hair. Like, yes, like I had to hold on to the hair and comb it out from the ends to the roots, because the knots, you know, men don't know how to detangle for ish when he washes his hair, so I had to do it. So I'm doing little sections so that I could get the best results. It already had some leave-in conditioner in his hair to help me detangle, and now I'm gonna go in with some heat protectant to prep his hair for the blow drying. Now this is my technique for blow drying. You can do your own technique, but this is the results, or the best results I get when I do this technique with my Denman brush. So I'm just gonna work it in until I get the desired look. So as you guys can see, when you do it in smaller sections, you get the best results for a fully stretched hair. So I'm just gonna keep doing that on all of the sections until I get the desired look. Now one thing about men hair, okay, once they cut their hair, it grows back so freaking fast. Like, you do a little trim and it takes a minute for your hair to grow to a length that you want it. Men be cutting their hair on the regular and it grows back like as if it was nothing. Like, I am super jealous. Simba's hair, I cut it almost all the time and his hair grows back so fast. So after I have blow dried all the sections, I'm just going to put it all out and comb it out, make sure that it doesn't have any knots in there to prep for the style. So I'm working from the ends to the roots and just making sure that it's all the way smooth and it's fully stretched. Now I'm going to put the hair up in one and do my little sections. Now for this style, I'm going to do it a little bit like a medium style. It's not going to be small, because you know men can't sit to do their hair for ish. They can't bear the pain that we do to sit down for hours to get our hair nicely and neatly done. So I'm doing it in bigger sections so that it is quicker. You can do it in smaller sections if you wish to. I know a lot of people ask me about how I part so straight. It's all in the tail comb, that iron tail comb, sis. Like, you need one of those. Those are like the best things to get the perfect parting with. Now I'll be using the Shine and Jam magic finger, and this is what I use to get that juicy, shiny, healthy looking hair for the 2-strand twist. So I work it onto the roots first and then use the tail comb to work that in, you know, get it to be nice and neat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid the root of the hair. So I'm just going to braid it down a little bit, and this is what is going to keep your twists in for a long time. When you braid the root, it keeps it nice and snug, and then you just attach 2 pieces together and then twist the rest of the way down. Now what I'm going to do when I'm twisting down is that I'm going to add some more of the Shine and Jam onto my fingertips and then work it into the hair. Now what I like about using the Shine and Jam as opposed to other products is that it has the perfect mixture of thickness and shine, that it keeps the hair stretched without causing it to revert because of the product. Now guys, if you're hearing like rumbling in my background, like I'm telling you, it's snowing outside like crazy, and they chose this very moment while I'm recording this video to start mowing the snow. Is that what you call it? Like lifting snow off the ground? I don't even know. But anyways, back to the hair. So what I did is I add elastic bands on the end of the hair. You don't have to do this, but if you just had a trim, it could get tricky with twists that it could unravel, because I mean it's twists. So if you want some security for the hair to last longer, you can put some elastic bands on the end of the hair, and it is perfectly safe to do so. If you want, you could dip the rubber band in a little bit of oil, and it doesn't cause any tension or the hair to rip or get caught in the rubber band. I don't know about y'all, but when I put oil on my rubber band, it doesn't pop. It's not because I'm soaking it like all day in the oil. It's just a little bit of dipperization, and that's it. So I'm just going to continue to work in this section. As I said, I'm doing this medium size. It's quicker. I won't even say neater, but it's just quicker. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to do all that extra work with doing it smaller. But if you want to do it smaller, you can do it smaller however you wish to. Okay, y'all, now we are at the front of the hair. Now, as I said, this style was quick to do. Okay, like when I say quick, it was really quick. Now your square zone doesn't have to be like perfect sizing. As long as your parting is neat and your hair is centered, you should be really good to go. So as long as the roots are neat, again, use your tail comb to get them parting, them squares all the way together, and that it is a quick finish. Some people like to use elastic band on the root if they don't know how to like get the braids nice and neat. However, because I don't know, he doesn't like tension on his hair. Like, who likes tension? You know, you don't want a headache, go to sleep with a headache. So to braid the roots is really better in terms of avoiding tension. But if you can't braid, you can use elastic band. You don't have to do them tight, but that is a really good alternative. But if you want the tension free to go to sleep easily and peacefully, just braid the roots and then twist, and then elastics on the end to keep them in longer. Now this style could last a long time, so I'm just gonna put some cream of nature shine mist to complete the look, to get the finished look. And men keep their hair lasting long, because you know they be wearing the do-rags and all that stuff. Their hair lasts longer than we keep our hair in. Okay, so this hairstyle could last him a whole month if he wishes to do so. So he's gonna get his lineup and trim and all of that, and that is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Damn That's Chev, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me